Bird control. Birds in Michigan can sometimes cause more damage than any nuisance wild animal. Their nests are filled with bacteria and fungi. It has been suggested that there are over 60 diseases that birds and their droppings can carry. Histoplasmosis, candidiasis, cryptococcus, St. Louis encephalitis, salmonellosis, and many more. The problem is especially worrisome in residential areas, as many of them are airborne and can be transferred to humans just by being around droppings. The birds we generally deal with that give problems to homeowners and industrial buildings are pigeons, chimney swifts, starlings, sparrows, swallows, and woodpeckers. But don't worry, we are here to help. Our goal is to maintain the safety of humans while allowing nuisance wildlife to coexist with humans on their properties and not in the homes. We don't just get rid of your nuisance wildlife. We prevent the problem from happening again and clean up what the wildlife left behind. Get in touch today. Mention this video and get a special discount for first-time customers.